my dash.
All right. I guess we're gonna take the wife's car today because, well, we're still waiting on our spaces for the Ram, but it's not a big deal. I haven't driven this car in forever. I think I'm gonna have to hit my seat preference. Otherwise, I'm not gonna be able to get in this thing. Alright, I think it's time to give this thing a little bit of a cleanup. It's getting a little dusty sitting here during quarantine. But we do have something special for you guys today, so let's head down to the shop. I'll show you guys what we got going on. All right, so we have the Ram Rebel here on the lift, ready to go for our spacers. Lots of stuff to come on the channel on this truck, this build, all the little kind of goodies that we're putting in this thing. We have our Camaro SS over here, but today's video is not about Rams, it is not about Camaros, and it's not even about Range Rovers, because over here we have a JMS Pedal Max. So big thanks to JMS Chip for sending this out to me. We are going to be putting this on my buddy's truck. It is a Ford Coyote 5.0 F-150, and we're going to get his real life reaction on how well these things work and how they open up the power that your truck already has with just a simple control knob underneath the dash. But first, we're stopping over here at neighbor Mike's because we got a delivery from Canada. Some good old Tim Hortons. Yeet! Thanks, Mom.
What's up, buddy?
Here he is.
How we doing?
Ready for some power?
We're gonna see what's going on.
You gonna get some power out of a Ford?
We are with a Coyote, man.
Yes, sir. What year is this thing?
2011.
So we got a 2011 5.0 Coyote. You got a little bit of a lift kit on this, 35s.
Yeah, 2-inch rough country, and then just 1/2-inch Coyote spacers on it, and then 35 1250s.
Nice.
Well, want to get rims for it, but don't got that rich man money.
Yeah, well, one day.
Yeah, we'll see one day.
Save your money. All right, well, let's get this thing out of the box and see what we got. And that is your controller.
Yep, 4 settings, right?
No, this one is fully variable. You got like from 0 to 100 basically.
Oh, so it's anywhere in between.
Yep, so on mine, basically, I'll run it about 25%.
Okay.
And it gives you a nice, little extra.
Little zap
on that throttle. And it's not too crazy, but if you want to go crazy, you got that knob, you just crank it right up and off you go.
All right.
So basically all you got is your module, and then you've got your harness that's going to go into your throttle pedal. So you disconnect your throttle pedal, and then you plug in your JMS Pedal Max, and then your factory wiring plugs into the other side of the harness, and it's completely seamless. You don't have to cut any wires, anything like that. Then you plug in your little controller, mount that underneath the dash wherever you want to, and then for easy access, you just crank that thing up and off you go.
Let's find some hardware for it. Put that switch right there. And
perfect.
Put the module, tuck it up right beside the OBD2 port, so we're all done. But for video purposes, we'll just leave it right there for now.
Sounds good.
And that's it.
That took all of what, 5 minutes?
If that.
Yeah, pretty simple install.
Easy stuff.
And another thing too, like, I mean, this doesn't affect warranty at all, but if you were to take it in for, if you had an engine problem, that's
3 plugs.
It's unrelated, but you never want them to blame anything, so you can just pop it out real quick.
Oh, yeah, that's easy enough right there. So all you gotta do is pop up that side panel, and that's it.
Yep, there you go. Easy access.
Oh yeah. Now we're gonna see how she's running.
Ready to test it out?
Oh yeah, let's do it.
All right.
Well, now we're gonna scare some people. Here we go. Pedal Max, we got 25% on the controller. That's what Steve said he runs. We'll come down and we'll see what we got.
I think he's having fun with it.
You knocked it right off my dash. Got a cop sitting up here. That's good timing for Dan. Whew. I think we need to crank it up a little bit in this old Ford. So we'll hit the top up here. We'll put it up to 50%. We'll see what we got. Okay, so we have the JMS now at 50%. We're gonna head back down the hill and see what we got. We got a cop waiting for us up at the top of that hill. Oh yeah. That feels a lot better. Sitting up there at the top.
No way.
Yeah, so I gun it and then I braked and I started to do a little U-ey. I looked at it, I was like, oh shit, there he is. So I turned back around.
Nothing wrong with that.
But yeah, definitely 50%. I put it to 50 when I came down the hill, and right when I hit the pedal, it woke it right up.
Oh yeah, definitely. You get rid of that lag that you get from that drive-by wire like right away.
It will be nice to get it tuned with this, just to change the shift points on it.
Oh, for sure.
I think it shifts a little too early for it, but
yeah, like for mine, like I have an HP tune on the Camaro, and
okay.
I run the Pedal Max on top of it. It works just fine.
Yeah, I was looking at videos for the Eco Boost and that, and then people run the Pedal Max and their Boost Max.
Oh yeah.
This is the perfect setup for both of them from JMS. It's great.
Definitely.
But oh yeah, it feels good, man. It woke it right up.
Another happy customer.
Oh, yes, it is. Right when I gunned it, the freaking GoPro fell off my dash.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, because I freaking hit so hard. So I was like, okay. So I pick it back up, fumble around, and look up, and there's a cop. And I'm just like, all right, that's how it works, I guess.
Yeah, definitely.
But
I mean, it's Sunday. What's that?
Have you ran 100%?
Oh yeah.
You have?
Yep.
That's insane.
Yeah, it's really, like, it gets pretty touchy. Like, that's like your race mode.
Yeah.
But it's definitely, if you're like drag racing or something like that and you want to get a good time.
Yeah.
I haven't had a chance to take it to the drag strip yet, obviously, because everything's closed. But,
oh, yeah.
you know, you just, if you hit that second yellow and you want to mash it, you don't have that delay. So you get a really good reaction time, I imagine. So.
Yeah. Well, I know you're experienced on a track, but I still want a grudge match when I see the
definitely, definitely. So we're going to do the Rebel versus the Ford. Now, he has exhaust, he has 35s, he's got a leveling kit. And now he has a Pedal Max too, so there's no excuses, and we'll put them up against each other.
Just 7 years and a 100,000 mile difference.
Well, yeah, there's that, but
that's the only thing
you got a cold air intake. I don't.
That's it.
I'm waiting for that one to come in, but
next thing for me is an oil separator.
Are you gonna do a catch can?
Yeah, that's all I want to do next.
Yeah, I got to do one of those one of these days too.
You can see how filthy it gets over time when
it's not
back in.
I've seen a lot worse.
Yeah. But yeah, so next thing is the catch can for this thing, and then after that, we'll see. You have an exhaust on that?
On this?
Yeah.
Just the one it came with.
Is it? Oh.
Nah, this thing's staying stock.
Okay.
That's Range Rover stuff. I ain't messing with it.
All right, see you, man.
See you later, you betcha. All right, well, Danny seems pretty happy with how the performance is working on his truck now. Definitely got rid of that lag and everything from what he said. I got to go review the GoPro footage, kind of really get his initial reaction. I would have liked to go for the ride with him and get it on camera myself, but we're doing the whole social distancing thing and all that. So this is kind of what we got to do nowadays until all this stuff clears up. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. And as always, keep that hammer down.